Good morning, folks. If you're on it, my name is and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is Sunday, the 8th of December, 2024. 40 long, and it is 08/12/2024 for the shop. And there you go. And it is, sort my sleeves out, it is 08:33 is the time. There you go, now 34, as it's just changed, as you did see. So what I've got planned today, let me tell you, before I go into the video. A bit later on there will be a shout out for a couple of comments, I think one comment at least, I think, and a new sub. Might do new sub first and then comment. So something what I want else to mention, but I will mention it later on. But we'll probably start basically Monday, probably, or from next year. So you guys are ready for the new year, when I'm going to try something. Well, I used to do it, I always put it on screen and stuff like that, but I'll come on to that a bit later on in this video, or a bit further down the line before New Year. So so what I'm doing today, turn out for a bit. Well, we'll be having my Avid calendar after this, setting off at 9 o'clock, having a walk down to Hillsborough, down to the shop, get to the shop, have a natter with paid staff. I don't think they don't want to be mentioned just yet. And then after that will be short minute. If you mean hours again, I'll turn the camera off, sort it out and come back to you. And then most likely maybe on the shop floor for about 5-10 minutes probably, and then hopefully one of the volunteers who normally does a Sunday is in. If not, then I will be on shop floor for the day, basically, including only time I come off shop floor is when I go for my lunch, when someone will come down to cover for me. But hoping it will be a volunteer will be in who normally does shop floor on a Sunday for us, while I'll be upstairs doing that, moving stuff around, bringing donations up, and etc. Anyways, moving on. So go for lunch, then after lunch on shop floor from 1 o'clock if the volunteer is in. If not, then I will probably go for my lunch at 1, then until about 1:30 or something like that, and then someone will cover for me. Not too sure what's happening just yet. And then after my lunch I will be back on shop floor for the remainder of the afternoon until probably about quarter to 3 probably, and then just do what I need to do. Be back in a minute, so I'll speak to you in a second. I'll speak to you a bit later on, but I'm going to do an advent calendar afterwards, so I'll catch you all in a sec.
Can we knock him?
Oh, radio folks. It's now a bit later on in the day. Decided to put my Christmas jumper on with the lights. So let's get everything over and done with. It is 2013 or 8:13 PM UK time, and whatever time it is where you are watching from. And we have got cup for this week from a train one to a football theme cup. This is one with basically my name on it. This is way before I was working for Wednesday, and today I'm using it as cup. If we got a Wednesday one, I will use that as well. So yeah, so that is coming up from this Monday, and the official Train Spotter one ends tonight until next time. So that's over and done with, time's over and done with, gone way over a minute. What have I done today? Let me tell you. You can already see my Christmas jumper. No, it's lighting up basically. It's been annoying today because of although you can't already see it. Of that sticking probably mean in my skin. So what else have I done? So I got ready to start the vlog, done my advent calendar, and then after that, about 9 o'clock, had a set off, went for a tram, what was Sheffield Super Tram 111 on the yellow route service from Middlewood. It was supposed to be to Hillsborough Park, but seeing the sandwich shop open, not sandwich shop, ice parlour open, and it's the person who I have been talking to in there is onto this morning, and we decided to have a little catch up and whatnot. So yeah, and then about 9:30, I continued walking down to the shop. Got to the shop, and then had an activity with pay staff, got ready, and then my duty for today was shop floor. So yes, then shop floor until I think about 1 o'clock, I think it was. Going for lunch. After my lunch, back on shop floor for the remainder of the afternoon, and then the rest will be history. I'm turning the lights off. So and then the rest is basically going to be history. Shop floor until about 10 to I think about 3:30. Pay staff came down so they can put some stuff, sort the shop floor out, making sure what we need and stuff like that, while I was changing the hanger stand and doing bins. This is probably about 4:45 at this point. Done bins, done a few other bits and bobs, and then basically about 4 o'clock rock up, do what we need to do, set off around 4:30. I got the tram back, well, Sheffield Super Tram 124 on the Euro service from Hillsborough Park to Middlewood. I'm with tram 11, well, Middlewood to Left Lane, and then I walked it from Left Lane down to Hillsborough. So yeah, and then the rest would have been history. Got back here to the computer, went on City Bus Manager, been on video call, and then just been talking to Chloe, been watching Strictly Come Dancing semi-finals. And my guess, one of my guesses before the proper season started, but I always pick a king and a queen. I have talked about this before. So yeah. Anyways, and then see, one of my picks is doing it. I said one of my picks, not two of them. There was one went out, I think about 4th weekend, I think. I'm not too sure, can't remember. Anyways, we have comments to read out. Thank you to Scott M. You have put a comment on the video called Kinderbell Christmas Advent Calendar 2024 Day number 7 or Door number 7, whichever you prefer. You've put best Sheffield YouTuber. I used to like Jonathan Haig, but you are better, pal. Thank you for your comment. Jonathan actually is a friend of mine and a colleague as well, because we work at the same place. But thank you for your comment, by the way. Then we have got a comment from, I'm going to spell your name out. You actually has subscribed recently. It is SYDNEY. Thank you for your comment. It's appreciated. You put a comment on the in the community page. So I have put a poll up on my X, in brackets, former Twitter, something to do with Model Railway. You put, hey James, love your videos, a big fan of all your content, keep it up. Thank you for that. A lot of fans are wondering if you have a Discord and would like to join a fan-based Discord. I don't really do Discord. Which one did I had? Yeah, I did have. Well, I thought I did not have Discord. Then I had Discord for playing on Roblox. Speak to someone who I've been playing on Roblox with. I think mainly on SCR, I think it is. One of the driving games. But then those I Discord has disappeared. I probably can try and get it back, but I don't really use it as much if I did. And thank you for your comment, by the way, it is appreciated. Then we have got I'm going to spell your name out. It is THEEOH. Thank you for your comment, it's appreciated. You have put on the video called King of Brino Christmas Advent Calendar 2024 Door number 7. You have put, thank you James Echoes, that is lovely, cool video. Thank you to you for that. And then the last comment of today so far, I still need to get back to some of you guys on the replies. Thank you to XLEY605. Thank you for your comment. This is appreciated. You have put on my advent calendar day number 5. I think I was actually talking about, I wonder what's going to be the day. If I'm wrong, please correct me. I think I was talking about, I wonder what's in day number 24. I do believe. I don't know, over 10 minutes. Talked about what could be in day 24. The big one. I love this answer. I think it might be a Snickers bar. Yeah, got a point there. Got a point there. Or a Milky Way. Maybe. Nah. It's gonna be some type of Kinder Bueno. I know where you're going there with that. Try and be funny. Out of hours. Anyways, going over there is, I'm going to finish my cup of tea. Going to chill out for a bit. Probably watching a couple of YouTube videos while having a cup of tea. And then do my football video after that. What will be up at 11 o'clock for me, because it will be last night at 11 PM or 2300 hours, as the advent calendar gone up at 10 o'clock. Anyways, on that basis, I will really leave you. Thank you so much for watching. The sub count is 961. If you think I'm just making that up, I will show you. There you go. Let's see, before I go, let's see if I can get it put on here, if it hasn't changed. Come on. Hi. See if that works. Whatever, was just one second, guys. It has done it automatically. There you go. This is actually live. And it is 961. Or 961 is the sub count. But on that being said, I will love you and leave you. So thank you. Yeah, for God's sake. Boop. Did that work? No, it's making it worse. 1 second, guys. Hello? Let's try to see if I can clear my camera. Don't know that yet. Anyways, this is basically just hear me talk, so but you can just see me, I do believe. Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you're on it, my name's James. I do if you need to know, it's in the description down below. That is information about today, the last day of the vlog, my social medias, that's Instagram, Twitter /X, my Facebook group, my Roblox. This is doing my button. I'll be back in a second. As I just turned the camera off, or stop record, it came straight into focus. As I was saying, everything you need to know anyway is in the description down below. That's information about today. What games I will be playing. Don't forget, from Monday this week, I will be sparing it all. So basically just this week only. Well, I'm just getting lost with that now. probably like 5 years time maybe, or let's do it every so often. I'll change games around. My socials, that's Instagram, X/Twitter, or formerly called Twitter. I say Instagram, Facebook, Roblox will be in the description as well. Other channels what I run, like J&M Travel, James J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show, and James Games for now, and the 5 steps we can do. So please subscribe, like, comment, but drink it on the old, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day vlog when I'm going to be indoors tomorrow, but hopefully doing maybe do a clothes wash, pot wash, and just showing out. So now being said, I'll see you all in this one. And sub count is not 600, way over 600, 961 subscribers. So on that, I'll catch you all in this one. So be, bye.